Hi everyone, let me tell you my life and career plan for the next 20 years. I am Larissa Rubio and I am currently studying Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management in Bulacan State University, Hagonoy Campus, getting ready for school and also sa exam. Ngayon, second year college na ako at nasa kaligitnaan na ako ng college life ko. Sabi nila yung college life raw, isa sa pinaka-memorable period sa buhay ng mga estudyante. Which is true naman. Dahil sa college, matututunan mo maging independent. Dito mo rin mararanasan yung mga maraming gawain, pati na rin yung mga subjects na mahihirap. Pero syempre, para iwas stress at pagod, dapat enjoy na lang yung bawat moment na lumilipas kasama yung mga kaibigan ko. Being a college student entails a busy schedule filled with classes, assignments, extracurricular activities, and personal commitments. It requires effective time management, dedication, and effort to make the most out of each day and maintain a well-rounded and fulfilling college experience. To my college friend Nika, Ja, Erica, Karil, at Ate Pao, thank you for being there with me. Siyempre, alam ko magkikita-kita tayo sa mga lugar na gusto nating puntahan. After 2 years, after so many sleepless nights, para sa mga homeworks and also sa research papers at pagod and puyat sa OJT, I finally made it. I graduated with flying colors. Mahirap man yung mga pinagdaanan ko, pero ito na yung unang step para sa mga pangarap ko. I am living in a simple life. Di mayaman kagaya ng iba, pero masaya naman. May mga struggles na na-experience, pero yun yung pinanghahawakan ko para magpursige at mabigyan ng magandang buhay ang mga magulang ko. In the near future. Siyempre, hindi man mabubuo ang college life ko kung wala yung mga kaibigan ko na katulong ko sa lahat pagdating sa mga projects, activities, at siyempre sa mga kalokohan. Ngayon, sabay-sabay kaming gagraduate at magiging successful sa buhay. As a fresh graduate, may mga nagsasabi na mas madali silang makahanap ng work, pero masasabi kong swertihan lang din pala or depende sa sipag mo sa paghanap ng work. First months later, after I graduated, patuloy ako sa pagpasa ng mga resume sa iba't ibang hotels and even sa mga company. Mahirap pero kakayanin. I got my first job in front office. I've worked with front office department for a year. I would say that the front office is the most important department in the hotel. It is like the face of the hotel, and this department is facing directly to the guest. The job of front desk officers is not just doing check-in and check-out for the guest. They have to check booking or make bookings for guests. They have to check the payment. They have to put the guest information into system. They have to answer all different kinds of questions that guests ask. Not just in-house guests, but also those who call to the hotel. Patuloy ako sa pagtatrabaho at kada taon na lumipat na rin ako ng ibang hotel like 5-star hotel at syempre, consistent sa pagiging front desk. Unti-unti ko na rin natutulungan yung magulang ko. 5 years later, and I am 35 years old, nag-umpisa na ako magtayo na sarili kong business para naman kahit papano, makakatulong ito para pandagdag income. At dahil na rin sa mga business na naitayo ko, nakapundar na rin ako ng sariling bahay para komportabeng nakatira ang pamilya ko. At syempre, unti-unti na rin ako nakabili ng mga sasakyan na magagamit namin tuwing nagbabakasyon kami. At the age of 42, wala na akong ibang iniisip pa kundi ang makapag-enjoy sa buhay kasama sariling pamilya ko at ang magulang ko. Stable na ako sa buhay at unti-unti na rin nadadagdagan yung businesses ko. Success is like a seed that needs a balanced proportion of all the elements of life, and no one can achieve success in a day. They have to go through and face different conditions in life for being successful. Above all, success is the feeling of fulfillment.